No, I'm not going! Uh-oh, sounds like Skipper. Better go see what's the matter. Skipper, what's wrong? Move. Skipper never hurt me before. Chelsea, I'm sorry I pushed you. Here. Oh, you hurt my arm. It's okay, Chelsea. Come on, let's go upstairs. What's wrong? You don't want to know. I do want to know. Barbie and Ken think we have to go on a family hike. That's going to be boring. We're going right now. Come on, girls. Oh, no. Kens. Oh, they're not going to fit in my purple basket, but the pink one has a hole in it. Oh, well. It's not like I'm going to drop any of my Shopkins. Come on, you guys. Come on. Ah! What is it, Skipper? Ew, it's a disgusting frog. It's just nature. Leave it alone. Geez, don't you guys know anything about nature? No, I don't. And I don't want to know anything about nature. Who does? Me. Is that as fast as you guys can walk? Yeah, Ken, let's call it a day. Ken, I'm starting to get hot. I'm going to remove my coat. Hold on a minute. How long does it take to remove a coat? Okay, I'm ready now. It's dark and I'm freezing. Who's with me? Yeah, I wish I had my jacket. I'm in a tank top. Here, Chelsea, you can use my coat. It's right. Where's my coat? I left it back there. Better go get it. Take someone with you, though. Ken, you can't leave the girls alone. True. How about eeny, meeny, miny? Chelsea. Okay. Can I bring my Shopkins? I know I'm going to regret this, but sure. Stay here. I'm going to look over here. Not here. Not there. Okay, let's go back to Ken. Let's keep moving. That's my designer coat. A friend gave it to me. Coming. Barbie, where are you? Ooh, right here, Chelsea. I can't see. Let's go this way. Okay. Whoa! A Shopkin spilled. Oh, here's another, and another, and another. Chelsea, isn't that the basket that had a hole in it? Yeah, why? That can lead us back to Ken. Come on. We're saved. We're saved. Like, tell us the story, Barbie. We thought we'd never see you again. Chelsea, I appreciate your Shopkins much more now. Come on, let's go home.